Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you and the blessings of Allah be upon you. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah. He is unique one, he has no partner. And I bear witness that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the servant of Allah and his messenger. I welcome you in invitation of Quran. Today is our ninth step, and in this step we will discuss and we will identify the straight path, and we will do the identification of unforgivable sin, and we will learn some about condemnation of sectarianism in the light of Quran. So today our first verse is going to be from chapter 3, verse number 103. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the entirely merciful. And hold firmly to the rope of Allah altogether, and do not become divided. And remember the favor of Allah upon you when you were enemies, and He brought your heart together, and you became by His favor brothers. And you were on the edge of a pit of the fire, and He saved you from it. Thus does Allah make clear to you His verses, that you may be guided. In this verse, the rope of Allah is mentioned. What is the rope of Allah? That is mentioned in the Sahih Muslim, the book of Hadith. The international number of that Hadith is 6228. In that Hadith is mentioned that this book of Allah, the Quran, is the rope of Allah, and whoever will hold fast to this book, he is right, he is on the straight path. We'll move to next verse, which is in chapter 22. Chapter name is Al-Hajj, Surah Al-Hajj, verse number 78. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. And strive for Allah with the striving due to Him. He has chosen you and has not placed upon you in the religion and difficulty. It is a religion of your father Ibrahim. Allah named you Muslims before in former scriptures and in this revelation, that the messenger may be witness over you and you may be witnesses over the people. So establish prayer and give zakah and hold fast to Allah. He is your protector and excellent in the protector and excellent in the helper. Before the advent of the Quran, we were called Muslim, and in this Quran also. So even today we should be called Muslim and should not associate ourselves with the name of sects. We will read more verses from the chapter number 6, verse number 159. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Indeed, those who have divided their religion and becomes sects, you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, are not associated with them in anything. their affairs is only left to Allah, then He will inform them about what they used to do. We must remain a nation instead of being divided into sects, otherwise outcome will be very bad. In this same chapter we will read more verses. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Say, indeed, my Lord has guided me to a straight path, a correct religion, the way of Ibrahim, inclining towards truth. And he was not among those who associated others with Allah. Say, indeed, my prayer, my rites of sacrifice, and my living and my dying are for Allah, Lord of the worlds. No partner has He, and this I have been commanded, and I am the first among you of the Muslims. We should also dedicate our worship purely to Allah. In this same chapter, we will read one more verse. The verse number is 153. And moreover, this is my path, which is straight, so follow it, and do not follow other ways, for you will be separated from His ways. This has He instructed you that you may become righteous. In this verse, we are clearly commanded to follow Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and we are forbidden to follow other paths. Whenever the straight path mentioned in the Quran, the same statement is made that straight path is only one, and whenever misguidance is mentioned in the Quran, that is mentioned in plural form. So straight path of Islam is the Quran and the teaching of Prophet. The teaching of the sects are weakening us. We will read some more verses. Next verse is from chapter 4, verse number 116. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Indeed, Allah does not forgive association with Him, but He forgives what is less than that, for whom He wills, and he who associates others with Allah has certainly gone far astray. Related to this same subject, we'll go to chapter number 5, verse number 72. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. They have certainly disbelieved who say Allah is the Messiah, the son of Mary, while the Messiah has said, O children of Israel, worship Allah, my Lord and your Lord. Indeed, he who associates others with Allah, Allah has forbidden him paradise, and his refuge is the fire, and there are not for the wrongdoers any helpers. We will read one more verse, which is in chapter 39, verse number 65. This chapter called Az-Zumr. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And it was already revealed to you and to those before you that if you should associate anything with Allah, your work would surely become worthless, and you would surely be among the losers. As you have read in these verses, polytheism is not forgiven, and deeds will be wasted, worthless, and paradise will be forbidden. So we must follow the Quran and avoid this unforgivable crime, sin, that we associate partner with Allah. He is unique one, He has no partner. Allah make us able to understand Quran and make us able to follow it. Allah bless you. Fi Aman Allah.
This Quran was revealed to me that I may warn you thereby and whomever it reaches.